Hello, my name is Rebecca Shahan, and I am the student coordinator for this year's Fashion Without Fabric. The show is this Saturday, April 8th, in the Great Hall at 8 p.m. And this show is a really unique event on campus. We have about 108 groups of art students who are coming together to make unique fashions using anything but fabric. And the theme this year is the MacArthur Fellows, so they're basing sort of their pieces off of a work that these individuals have created. And there's been a ton of really unique things, so it's going to be a great show. The students go through quite a process to do this project. Before I coordinated the show, I also was a participant, so I kind of have experience with that. They start with an ideation process based on the theme. So this year that involved selecting their MacArthur Fellows and working with that to sort of choose the direction for their piece. Then they go into like the sketching phase, which leads into construction and material choice based on the theme of their fellow. And then right before the show, we do these dress rehearsals in the hallway, so they get to really work on their performance and how that translates on stage to the audience. Okay. At the show, you can expect to see a variety of pretty much anything that you can imagine. There's a lot of outfits made of like tin foil, things with cardboard, feathers. I don't know, we have a lot of people making things out of foam. There's a dress made out of paper lanterns this year. So just like really diverse materials that come together to make something really amazing. Fashion Without Fabric is a great project for incoming students. It's the freshmen in 3D design that do this project, and it really sets them up for their career as a student. Through this project, they learn a lot of like concepting and how do we think through problems and translate those into visual outcomes. And ultimately, this is something that it's really unique. It's a great thing to show people that you've done and to talk about your accomplishment. And ultimately, it contributes to both your strengths and outcomes as a designer later on in your education.